Hey, it's Cyrus, and today we're going to get in touch with a feeling and part of yourself that most people suppress, your inner softness. It could also be known as your inner warmth, affection, or gentle love, but we stop letting ourselves feel it. We bury it because softness has a negative connotation in our society. We learn that it's not safe to feel it, or will be made fun of or underestimated if we let ourselves feel that. But this is just based on a misunderstanding, because you can have boundaries and access both parts of yourself and shift back and forth with ease, which is easy to do when you're not suppressing that softness. And by unburying that softness, that gentleness now, you're going to get in touch with a massive source of your true, deep power, your stability, and a magnificent source of energy that will provide an incredible foundation as you move through your life. So if that sounds good, go ahead and find a comfortable position, sitting upright, and let yourself settle into it effortlessly now. Closing your eyes gently when you feel ready. And let the breath drop down softly, gently, a little bit more deeply into your body. Feel the breath making its way down past your chest into your belly. Let the next breath drop smoothly and easily down all the way through your legs into your feet and toes, and let it fall out in reverse through the mouth at your own pace. Notice any physical tension around your eyes now. Let those muscles soften. And any tension in your jaw, let it drop and release, and let that softness cascade into your neck and shoulders as they soften. Notice any holding in the arms and hands, and let them go on standby as they soften too. And any tension in the back muscles, let it dissolve with the magic light of your awareness. And wrapping around to your chest and stomach, notice any holding, any self-protection, and if it feels safe, let that start to melt and dissolve gently with the breath. Notice the hips and pelvis softening into the legs, feeling that softness cascading all the way down to the feet and toes, allowing the lower body to unwind at its own pace. And now scan the body head to toe and notice any obvious tension that remains, and don't even try to make it go. Just allow it to melt at its own pace without even trying. And now as the body feels softer and looser, just begin to notice where that part of you that protects yourself hides out in your body. The part of you that protects you from being seen as too soft or gentle or loving. Maybe you feel it as a wall in your chest, or a subtle tension in your limbs. Wherever it is, just notice it without judgment. And acknowledge its presence now. as if you're saying to yourself in your mind, "I see you, protector. Thank you for doing what you do." And just let that protector know in your mind now that you'll always allow it to be there when you need it. But for now, if it feels true, let it know that it's safe to begin to get in touch with that inner softness and gentle love. And if that protector feels the truth of that intention, just ask it to relax for now, to step aside so you can let that other part of you begin to emerge. And as you feel your body, mind, and inner system relaxing enough to open to the deepest parts of your love, you might notice the heart softening slightly, opening in anticipation of a receptivity to gentle love. And if there's a whisper of that softening, just invite it to deepen now. And from this place of gentle openness and receptivity, I invite you to allow your mind to float and your body to resonate with whatever sensations naturally and pleasantly arise, as I extend an invitation for your imagination to float through these images that might put you in touch with your inner softness. You might choose to imagine yourself being held in the arms of someone safe and non-judgmental. Melting lovingly into their embrace. You might choose to imagine yourself holding or cradling a delicate flower. Admiring its beauty, enjoying its scent, gently feeling its delicate petals. You might imagine yourself dipping your feet into the flow of a river, or floating effortlessly in gentle ocean waves. Merging with the soft and gentle currents of the water. You might choose to see yourself in the morning in bed as you're waking up, in that comfy liminal state between sleep and wakefulness. Just floating blissfully and enjoying the warm sensations of aliveness in your body. And I invite you to take another moment to imagine anything that brings about that feeling of softness and gentle love within your heart and mind now. And I invite you to direct your attention to your body, noticing any of the sensations that are blossoming. Feeling and nurturing that softness and gentle love with your attention now. Feel your mental spotlight effortlessly dancing through the body, enlivening those sensations, deepening them with pleasant ease. Notice what happens as you allow them to expand and magnify, to grow stronger and more powerful than you could have even imagined, as you allow that inner warmth, affection, gentle love and softness to radiate effortlessly through your whole body and aura now, like you're overflowing with that if it feels good. And now I invite you to stay connected to that feeling in your body and also visualize moving through the world, grounded in that inner soft gentleness, but also balanced with that shield of protection when you need it. See yourself rooted in that softness, but still in touch with the balance that you need to navigate seamlessly through your day. And if that feels good and you want to prioritize getting back in touch with this part of yourself, I invite you to make this a daily priority for the next week. Simply mentally prioritizing the experiment every day to stay connected to your inner gentleness and softness, or whatever word you want to describe it with to remind yourself of it. Gift yourself that daily priority for a week or as long as you like to give yourself a real chance to reacclimate that part of yourself, to bring it back to the surface so your system knows it's safe to allow it to exist alongside the other parts of yourself. So as you come back at your own pace now and open your eyes when you feel ready, feel that softness and gentle love integrated into your body, into your mindset, carrying it back with you delicately but powerfully now. And feel yourself connected to that one moment at a time, affirming that intention to continue through your week if that feels good to you. And I thank you for taking this time for yourself today. I invite you to share this with anyone you think it might benefit, and I hope you have an amazing day.